Yo guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and I want to start things off by saying Happy New Year to everybody watching this video out there. It is 2020. So I want to start things off this year with a quick Q&A, and I asked out on Instagram and on Twitter what you guys wanted to ask me. And then I also want to announce the winner of the 25,000 subscriber phone giveaway, which seems like forever ago, but it was only like 3 weeks ago when I announced it. And now we are already closing in on 30,000 subscribers by the time I'm making this video, which is crazy insane. So once again, thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for all the love. But I'm going to start off by asking questions from Instagram a little bit, and then I'm going to announce the winner, and then I'm going to follow the rest of the video with questions from Twitter. So if you guys want to be part of the next Q&A, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, we're going to jump right into these questions. Okay, so first question is from I am Sorav Sarkar. I really apologize for butchering your name, and anybody else in the rest of the video whose name I butcher, once again, I am sorry. But he says, what's your New Year's resolution? By the way, Happy New Year's advanced. Thank you, and Happy New Year's to you as well. And I don't really have a New Year's resolution. I'm trying to just make more videos this year. If I look back at 2019, I have made 61 videos, and I'm trying to aim for about 2 videos a week, which is roughly around there. So keep it the same pace, 2 videos a week, maybe sometimes 3 videos. Really, that is the resolution for this year for the channel. And then in my personal life, just keep grinding, I guess. That's all. And then Insta Sparsh asked, how did 2019 treat you? Well, 2019 was awesome. It was probably the best year of my life. In terms of YouTube, got a lot of growth. And also I had my first kid in June, which was spectacular. She's a beautiful little girl. Now she's about 6 months going to 7 months. So I don't know if you guys knew that, but that happened in 2019. So that was fantastic. techplughd asks, what inspired you to start YouTube? Just the love of tech. Like, I love tech so much, and I would always be online, whether it's Reddit forums or other types of outlets, reading about tech, talking to people about tech, to the point that my family members started getting annoyed with me about talking about tech all day. So I decided, let me just start a tech YouTube channel, and this was like an outlet for me to talk about tech, review tech, and that's really what started it. And then obviously watching some of the other big tech YouTubers, Marquez obviously out there, Jonathan from TLD, Jedner from Your Average Consumer, very inspirational people. I used to watch them for a long time before I started my channel. So between them and just the love of tech, that's how I got into it. Next question comes from Diana Mersley, and she asks, how long do you think it would be until a notchless iPhone? Your videos are awesome, by the way. Thank you very much. Notchless iPhone, there are rumors that the 2020 iPhone is going to get redesigned, but I think they're still going to have the notch. Apple really is pushing the whole Face ID, and it's really hard to get those sensors under the display. There are some phones out right now that have cameras under the display. So based on that technology being brand new and Apple only jumping on things when they are refined and perfect, I would say probably 3 years till the 2020 iPhone comes out, and that design is going to last for like 3 years. So maybe the next iPhone, like iPhone 13 or something. That would be my guess. The next question is from Vassal Group, and he asks, what is your favorite Android UI? So I like stock Android, but honestly, I've been doing a lot of Android setups using Nova Launcher, and I'm starting to like the customization, especially in the gesture settings of Nova Launcher. So if I could get pure Android, like the Pixel Android, with a couple of tweaks that Nova Launcher has, something similar to what Oxygen OS does with the Oneplus, that'd be great. That would be my blend. But if I had to pick something that's out right now out there, probably would be Oxygen OS. So now we are going to jump to announcing the giveaway winner, and I'm sure this is probably why you guys came to this video. Once again, if I butcher your name, I am really sorry, but it is somebody named Neem Pitaj. Neem Pitaj, congratulations. You are the winner of the 25,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to have to look through the comment section down below in the video to see which phone that you wanted, but I'll also go ahead and email you so that we can switch information around I'll go pick up your phone, ship it out to you. But once again, congratulations. Okay, so let's jump real quick into Twitter and answer some of these questions. We're gonna do it rapid fire, see as many as we can get into in the next 60 seconds. So Said Sahil asked when you start your YouTube channel, and I actually started my YouTube channel October 2016. So I just passed my 3-year anniversary. And then the next question is from Anil Kumar. He says, how can I start a YouTube channel? Honestly, just take your phone, whatever phone you have, and just start making videos. Just make sure that you it's like the presentation of the videos. Just make sure that you put good time and energy into your videos in terms of the information and what you want to present. And if you can really do a good job of that, just using your cell phone to record, I think you have a great recipe. Plus the first like 5 to 10 videos of yours are going to be like probably ones that you won't like and you're going to improve. So just go ahead and start, because experience will teach you a lot. And then we're going to finish things off with a question from Tony, and he said, name your 3 top phone brands in order. Ooh, in order. Okay. So we're just talking about Android because most of the phones that I use Android. I'm going to say that I do like Oneplus. I love the way they're designing and pricing and everything. I love that. Second would have to be Samsung. I do like Samsung design too, especially on the Note lineup. Not so much on the S lineup, but the Note lineup, top of the notch. And then for my third phone, I would have to say Xiaomi. Xiaomi has been doing a really good job in terms of phone design over the past 2 years, I would say. So those are all the questions that I'm going to get to today. I'm sorry if I didn't get to your question, but next time if you want to be part of it, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for submitting the questions, and also congratulations for the winner. I believe the name was Neem Pitaj. Congratulations, Neem, for winning the iPhone or the Pixel, whatever you decide. I will reach out to you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.